All right, arriving at DMV for practice session. He's gonna drop the bike. If you do this during, okay, no, just some oil. Probably felt a little slippage.
Good, how are you?
Not too bad, just getting some practice in?
Yeah, I used to do the front parking lot, but since they got this new one, I'm gonna start practicing some more, so yeah.
Yeah, guess great minds think alike.
Yeah.
I do the same thing, but I don't want
He's doing this.
Oh, no, go ahead, I mean.
I love it. So this is an MSF BRC1 layout. Oh, motorcycle. Oh no, embarrassing.
That was a tight one. Oh, that's right, yeah. You're okay though, right? Oh, yeah. Okay, perfect.
Thanks for watching till the end.
And he's gonna lift it up the appropriate way. So here's what I want to point out. Not this. So this right here above my head is the tight turn from a stop part of the motorcycle operator skills test. So you do a tight, and we're going to see it from another angle. I want to point out because, and I said I wasn't going to spend a lot of time, but here's the thing. This is part of chapter 9. This is chapter 9 right here. The motorcycle operator skills test. Chapter 9 of the Smart Rider book, or Smart Rider motorcycle training system. This is the Riding Smart book. So we have all of this stuff. Exercise 2, tight turn from a stop. I show you how to do it. I show you how to do this. So we're going to go over just a little bit here. So you start off at the MSF or at the DMV. Let's go ahead and delete this. You start here if you're at the MSF, and everyone's kind of like stacked up here, right? And here's the first person. And then now they come up to here. And now you have to make this turn inside here. So I set up cones for the exercise. And we're going to hit play real quick so I can show you the other side. So he's setting up. See how he's on the... Right here, perfect. So you see how he's on that tee box back here? So he's going to come up to here, stop, and they're going to tell you, hey, it's time to go. So then you make this turn. And then you come over here. I'm going to see if there's another view. Okay, right. Let's see, right there. Perfect, yeah, right here. So he's going to make this turn, and he's going to come all the way around. And it's hard to see. There's some dashed lines here and a line that goes right here and then comes down right here. And then there's like a red dash line. That red dash line is for any motorcycles above 600cc for their engine size. Anything below 600cc, you have to do it inside this box. Anything above 600cc, you basically have like a full box like that, okay? So what you need to do is you need to go around like this, and then you need to make a left-handed U-turn in that box and then stop. It's hard. It's a weird angle. And stop inside this box right here. So that's exercise 2. The first exercise, and this is probably what he's starting to do. He's doing the first exercise. First exercise is he stopped here. There's a cone here, cone here, cone here, cone here, cone. And it looks squished because we're at that camera angle. This is the straight line weave. So you go right of the first cone, left, right, left, and then you make a U-turn and stop in the box. That's what he's doing. So that's the first exercise. I just showed you the tight turn exercise. And then the other exercise is that back there a little bit more, it's the stop, quick stop. So he's going to go and accelerate from here. He needs to pass that. As soon as he passes this, there's all these slotted lines like this. So as soon as he passes this line right here, he needs to start slowing down, stop. And wherever he lands on that line, that's his score. Okay? So there's that. And then it's hard to see how this is all set up. But I think the way it's set up, the way it's set up is the same thing for the swerve. So there's going to be a cone here and a cone here, and he must swerve left or right. So that's how it's set up for, and that's the motorcycle operator skills test, and that's what I teach you in chapter 9. How to set it up, and there's QR codes of me doing it. But I show you how to set it up, I show you how to do it, and I take you from nothing, not knowing anything, first chapter, getting to the parking lot and practicing in a parking lot, setting up your cones, and you only need 10 cones. I provide 10 cones in a cone kit, or just do 5 tennis balls in half. 5 tennis balls in half. Simple as that. But that's what he's doing here in a parking lot. But this is the MSF course and how it's all set up.
Do the more so.
I don't want to.
And so at the MSF course, this is where you practice. I'm just having some fun with this one. I guess this is gonna be a longer video. This is where you practice the tight turn. They'll set up cones here. They'll set up cones here. The MSF rider coach is standing right there. You stop right here and say, okay, make your turn. And then they reverse it. I was an MSF rider coach for 2 years. And then you reverse it. You do the same thing. And he just failed it though. That's all. But that's the MSF rider, the MSF stuff, the course right there. But I have my own system. So if you can't make it to an MSF and you want to learn how to ride your own motorcycle and get your endorsement, get the Smart Rider Motorcycle Training System. It has everything in it, including 24 motorcycle training drills that will test your bike bonding. It will test your skill set. 24 drills, 10 cones, same thing. Everything I do is going to be 10 cones. So once you get 10 cones, you're done. Set it up in a parking lot. But I hope you guys ride safe, be safe, grab yourself a slice of pizza, and go out there and practice.